Welcome to Engineer Corner. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Today on Engineer Corner, we're going to show you how to install HTOP in the Linux desktop environment through the command line. Let's get started. Go to your command line prompt. You want to type in sudo apt install HTOP. Enter your password if you have it set up like this. It'll load the package list. Would you like to install this program? Basically what it's asking you right here. Just have to wait for it to fetch. Processing the triggers. Done. Now, after you do that step, all you do is type in HTOP to see the system resources. And there we go. This is a upgraded version of TOP. This is HTOP, where you can actually go through the list. You can actually use your mouse in the command prompt and look at all the software that's operating. You can see the swap file size up here. You can see how much memory you have. You can see what is running here. You have the PID, the process of the ID of the process. You have the user, the username of the owner of the process. You have the priority of the process. You have the nice value of the process, and the total amount of virtual memory used by the process along here in this column. So once again, it's a really good program. It's called HTOP. It's really easy to install, and you can just slide through this. Me using my keyboard right now just to go through. So for example, this is not a local computer called Raspberry Pi running Linux, Ubuntu Linux. If we want to look at TeamViewer, which I use for remote access, we can just double click more information. You can look at right there. You can look at the triggers. This is the Wi-Fi for the card, Wi-Fi WPA supplicant, and you're gonna scroll through the list. So like MariaDB, that's my database program for my web servers on here. Apache 2 is the web service. This is what runs the software, runs websites, more and more and more, whatnot. So all right, to get out of this program, you have all these options down here. You can change it into a tree, as you can see right here. That's how it normally looks. You can move it into a tree. You can kill the processes by just selecting it. So say example, I want to kill a process called VNC server. I can kill it just by pressing F9 instead of kill process ID 473. I don't have to do it that way. You can do it through here. All right, so let's get out of here. So to get back into that, all you do is type in HTOP. That's it. So to remove the software, sudo apt remove HTOP, and it'll go through the list. And would you like to remove it? Yes, of course. It's going to take a little bit longer. I'm on an internal network running a Raspberry Pi that's full of software right now. And that's it. So if we type in HTOP now, it should be gone. No such file directory. So sudo apt install HTOP once more, just to show you. That's all it is. Sudo apt install HTOP. And it's going to pull all the packages and dependencies in and install it for us. And I'll show you once more. Okay, there we go. We're in Engineer Corner. If you like this video, please like and subscribe like always. HTOP, type it in once more, as you can see right here. HTOP. And we're back here. This is a really good program to monitor your system resources. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I always appreciate people watching these videos. This is my first video on Linux HTOP. In the next video, I'll explain more about the TOP process and how to set up Raspberry Pi, how to set up a Raspberry Pi operating system. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Have a wonderful day.